I'm going to walk you through how to calculate how much you can contribute to your Mega Backdoor Roth step by step. This will help you avoid overcontributing and paying penalties. For those unfamiliar with the Mega Backdoor Roth, it is a way to put extra money into your 401k and then move it to a Roth IRA or Roth 401k where your money will grow tax-free. It is a more advanced strategy for people that have maxed out their 401k and IRA contributions, but want to put more money into saving and investing for retirement. If you aren't familiar with what a 401k or IRA are, make sure to check out our other videos that explain each of these in under 5 minutes before continuing with this video. There is a limit to how much you can contribute through a Mega Backdoor Roth. If you go over this limit, you'll have to pay penalties and taxes. So, it's important that you calculate the amount that you can put in correctly. There are 4 simple steps to determine how much you can contribute to a Mega Backdoor Roth. Step 1. Find the total 401k contribution limit. This is the total contribution limit that the government sets each year. This limit varies depending on your age. For 2025, if you're under the age of 50, the total contribution limit is $70,000. If you're between 50 and 59, the limit is $77,500. If you're between the ages of 60 to 63, the limit is $81,250. And if you're over the age of 64, the limit is $77,500. The total 401k contribution limit is made up of 3 things: contributions that you make, contributions that your employer makes, and the remainder, which is the amount you can contribute to the Mega Backdoor Roth. Step 2. Determine your 401k contribution. In addition to setting the total 401k contribution limit, the government also sets a limit on how much you specifically can contribute to your 401k. This limit also varies depending on your age. For 2025, if you're under the age of 50, you can contribute up to $23,500. If you're between 50 to 59, you can contribute up to $31,000. If you're between the ages of 60 to 63, you can contribute up to $34,750. And if you're over the age of 64, you can contribute up to $31,000. If you're planning on doing a Mega Backdoor Roth, you're probably planning to max out your own 401k contributions. Step 3. Determine your employer's 401k contribution. Many employers will match the contributions that you make to your 401k. So, you need to calculate how much your employer will be putting into your 401k based on your own contributions. Here's an example. Let's say that your employer offers a 100% match on contributions up to 6% of your salary. If your salary is $100,000, 6% of that is $6,000. Assuming you put in at least $6,000 into your 401k, your employer will match 100% of that. Therefore, your employer's contribution is $6,000. Step 4. Calculate your Mega Backdoor Roth contribution. From the previous 3 steps, you now have 3 numbers: the total 401k contribution limit, your 401k contribution, and your employer's 401k contribution. To calculate how much you can contribute to your Mega Backdoor Roth, subtract your 401k contribution and your employer's 401k contribution from the total 401k contribution limit. That's it. Here's an example. Let's say that you put $23,500 into your 401k, and through an employer match, your employer puts in another $6,000. The 2025 total 401k contribution limit for you is $70,000 since you're under the age of 50. $70,000 minus $23,500 minus $6,000 equals $40,500. Based on this calculation, you can put in another $40,500 through a Mega Backdoor Roth to take advantage of tax-free investing. As long as you don't exceed this number, you shouldn't have to worry about any excessive taxes or penalties. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more videos to maximize your money and build wealth. Also, you won't want to miss our video that teaches 30 years of personal finance knowledge in under 30 minutes. This is the video that shares everything I know about investing, saving, and taxes that helped me build $1 million in net worth before age 30. Click on that video here or find the link in the video description below.